Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to burn out a Dodge Ram 1500. First, locate a safe, private area with ample space, far from any public roads or pedestrians. Make sure your tires are in good condition with plenty of tread, and check all fluid levels. Before you begin, disable your truck's traction control and stability control systems. This is crucial for allowing the wheels to spin freely. Always prioritize safety and be aware of your surroundings. To begin, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot, holding it down with significant pressure. With your right foot, gently apply the accelerator, increasing throttle until the rear wheels start to spin. You'll need to find a balance between the brake and throttle to keep the front wheels stationary while the rear wheels rotate. If you want to move forward slightly, gradually ease off the brake. Safety is paramount when performing a burnout. Always be acutely aware of your surroundings, ensuring no people or obstacles are nearby. Avoid excessively long burnouts, as this can quickly overheat your tires and drivetrain components, leading to premature wear or damage. Remember, this maneuver puts significant stress on your vehicle. Never attempt a burnout on public roads. Always choose a controlled, private environment. After completing a burnout, it's wise to inspect your tires for any signs of damage, such as flat spots or excessive wear. Give your truck a few minutes to cool down, as components like the transmission and brakes can get quite hot. Understand that frequent burnouts will accelerate wear on your tires, brakes, and other drivetrain parts. Always operate your Dodge Ram 1500 responsibly and consider the long-term effects on its performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.